everyone, this is your host Manik and I welcome you all to yet another video. So in this video, let's have a look at the OnePlus Buds Z, the latest true wireless budget offering from OnePlus. Oh yeah, and I do have a special coupon code for you so that you can save extra 200 rupees off on your order. So stay tuned till the end to know more about it. So let's unbox and have a quick look at these OnePlus Buds Z. And the unboxing experience is similar OnePlus-ish. So red accents and white all over. And the one that I have here is this white color. Plus there is one more variant to choose from, so pick the one you like. And I would prefer grey variant over this one. Let's put them aside for now, and next we get this red box that has a USB Type-C to A cable, some extra ear tips and some manuals. So read them to know more about these true wireless earphones. And you also get this red cable club card, and that's it as far as the unboxing experience is concerned. Now coming to the earphones. So the case looks quite sturdy and has that glossy white finish, which looks okay for the price, but the matte finish of OnePlus Buds was way more premium than what we have here. And you do pay 2000 rupees extra for that. So you get this status LED on the front and a USB Type-C port on the back with a quick pair switch. The earbuds sit quite snugly in the case and won't fall off easily. And this is what the earbuds look like. So no LEDs are there to indicate pairing or battery level. So this is what you get. And these have two microphones instead of three on the OnePlus Buds. And I find this design to be better than what we have with the first generation of Buds, because these are way more comfortable and feel better even for extended periods of time, which was not the case with OnePlus Buds. And you can easily switch these tips for the best possible comfort. So that is totally up to you. Plus these are also IP55 rated, so these are water resistant and not waterproof, and would do just fine for your workout sessions and even with accidental splashes of water, which is good enough for day-to-day usage. The pairing process for OnePlus devices is also quite fast and easy. Just open the case and your OnePlus device will detect them. And just like the OnePlus Buds, you also have Google Fast Pairing in these two, so they get paired to your Google account and you won't have to pair them again and again. And you can use Find My Device and other features too, which make them a really good buy at this price. Now coming to the sound quality, these do have 10mm drivers with that bass boost feature, and they sound quite good for the most part. I have tried a lot of earphones in this price now, and these are one of the best in terms of sound quality. Though the bass isn't that boosted as some of you might want, but I think it is quite good enough for the most part. But definitely, these are not for those who like high amount of bass, as this is more soothing type of bass, and treble too is quite good enough. Though I'll be testing them even more as it has only been a day with these. So definitely need to test them more to give the final verdict, but as of now, thumbs up in terms of sound quality. The latency while playing music or even gaming was quite less, as these do support that low latency mode while gaming, but only for OnePlus 6 and above, and that too with Fanatic mode enabled. So to get the lowest latency, you will have to put the app in Fanatic mode, and I'll cover this point in a later video. Also, here is an audio sample recorded from the internal microphone of these OnePlus Buds Z. Here is an audio sample recorded from the internal microphone of these OnePlus Buds Z. So you guys be the judge and let me know what you feel about it. One tiny thing that I observed is with the autoplay pause sensor. So unlike some earphones in this price, this one does have that autoplay pause sensor, which works perfectly alright, like 9 out of 10 times. But sometimes it just does not work properly, but that's fairly alright. And if you compare it with OnePlus Buds, the play pause sensor isn't totally the same, but functions more or less, which is alright. Anyways, I'll be posting a full review of these earphones really soon, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And now, let's see how you can avail that coupon code on your order. These will go on sale on Flipkart and Amazon too in a couple of days. So in case OnePlus Store does not serve your pin code, you can place an order from the other two. Anyways, to get the extra off, just visit the link in description area and claim your coupon. Now go back and visit the second link mentioned in description area, and that is of OnePlus Buds Z. Now click on the buy now button and proceed to check out with all your details, and a 200 rupees of coupon code will be automatically applied to your cart. So you can buy them at 2800 rupees approximately, which makes them a really good buy at this price. And in case you still have any doubts, my future videos will clear most of them out. Anyways, that was it for now. Do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.